Hello everyone and welcome back to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh and today I have the pleasure of showing everyone this beautiful 2024 Premier 210 Sunsation, and it's right behind me. Like we do on all of our videos, we're starting off on the exterior and just take a look at this boat. It is beautiful. Up in the bow here you have integrated navigation and docking lights here. You'll have the pop-up stainless steel cleats. You have 4 in total on this pontoon. You're going to see the black with the gray accent is the color scheme. You have the black rails too here, which is nice. It's a good finish, looks super sharp. As you look up here, you have the integrated electric bimini. So that is a standard option now on the Premier 210 Sunsation. Along with all of the Sunsation models, the bimini is a standard option. So that is blacked out, kind of matches the whole entire theme. It looks really sharp. As we work our way to the stern of the boat, you have the safety railings here, so you can sit back in this configuration here. You'll see the nice big ski tow bar that's blacked out too, which is cool, matches the whole theme. You have a Mercury 200 horsepower V6 outboard engine, which is plenty of power to tow your skiers, your tubers, and even a wakeboarder, which is great. And you can tow those people from the ski tow bar up there. You have a nice tow point there, which makes it super easy. On the other side, so on the starboard side here, you have a nice ladder that pops down. Nice wide steps too to get up into the boat, which is really nice. That was the exterior. Let's go take a peek at the interior and show you some of the options. All right, we're inside this beautiful 210 Sunsation, and this particular 210 has the RL layout. So you'll see that you have this backrest here and this whole seating configuration in the stern here. Now, this can convert into an entire nice rear lounger back here, and it can lay all the way flat. In the 2024, you now only have one backrest that you have to move. In the previous model, you had 2 backrests that you could move. Didn't make the most sense. This is definitely much easier for really anybody to use, and the whole layout configuration just makes a lot more sense. You have 4 cup holders on each side. You'll have a wireless phone charger here. In here, you'll have some more storage, which is nice. So a lot of cool little features that you'll see. Moving to the helm, really nice helm setup. It's a raised helm, so fiberglass all the way around it. The helm chair itself, so where's the lever? Here it is right here. You can actually adjust the backrest here. And you'll see that your throttle is off to your right. Nice steering wheel, your Clarion speaker, your traditional gauges. This one is optioned with a SIMRAD. So it's going to have a nice digital readout of engine information, chart information on the lake, like depth. Some physical buttons off to your right, an RGB lighting switch to change colors, which is cool. You'll have a nice kind of glove box or overhead box here. Store some stuff in there. And what's really cool here too, when I open up this compartment, a garbage can swings out along with a paper towel holder. It's really cool. Good use of space. Underneath this compartment here, good floor storage. It is a tri-tune, so this is the 3rd tune. Plenty of storage in there. It's got the PTX, which is great. Working up to the bow here, great upholstery. You can kind of see it's a little bit different in comparison to the 2023. Still a lot of the same functionality though. You're gonna have storage underneath these seats. Really easy to access it. They're on hinges, which is really nice. Makes it super easy just to get into those compartments. A couple speakers up front as well. Cup holders, USB chargers on each side, which is really nice. You guys, this is the all-new 2024 Premier 210 Sunsation. It's located here at our MarineMax Rogers location. It is a beautiful pontoon. If you guys have any questions or would like to see this boat in person, come stop by our MarineMax Rogers location and ask for any one of our sales consultants. We'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.